चलिए फ्रेंड्स, ENT के कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. So here our first question is, which is the peripheral receptor of hearing? Question is repeated in 2017. So organ of body is sensory organ of hearing. Sensory organ of hearing. Okay. So organ of body is the correct answer. Second question, the semicircular canal. The semicircular canal is responsible for, as you know, there are three semicircular canal. First one is posterior, second one is lateral, and third one is superior. These all three canal are lies in plane at right angle to each other. Lies at right angle to each other. Okay. It is responsible for balancing angular acceleration. Responsible for angular acceleration. Whereas the important point is macula present on utricle and sacral that is responsible for balancing and linear acceleration. Okay. So in the semicircular canal, responsible for balance is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. In our next question, prominently is seen in which wall of middle ear? The most prominent portion of middle wall of the middle ear cavity is prominently. Okay, middle wall of middle ear cavity is prominently. The projection is raised by basal turn of cochlea. One more important point, it has number of grooves containing tympanic plexus of nerve. It has number of grooves containing tympanic plexus of nerve. So prominently seen wall. So middle wall of middle ear cavity of the prominentary. Correct answer is the middle. Next question is equestrian tube open in the nasopharynx. So A is the correct answer. Next question is Staria vascularis is present in. Previous question we already discussed about Staria vascularis. Okay. Here we are going to discuss about cochlea, the inner structure of the cochlea. Okay. In the cochlea there is three section, or we can say three compartment and three membrane. Okay. The first one is scala vestibuli. Second one is scala media. And last one is scala tympani. Scala vestibuli contain perilimb, and scala tympani also contain perilimb, whereas scala media contain endolimb. Okay. There are three membranes also. The first membrane is Reissner's membrane. The second one is basilar membrane. And the third and last one is Staria vascularis. In Reissner's membrane, separate scala vestibuli from scala media. In basilar's membrane, it separates scala tympani from scala media, and the Staria vascularis on the wall of scala media, and it convert perilimb into endolimb. It convert perilimb into endolimb. So this is the our structure of cochlea. चलिए एक इमेज देखते हैं. Look at this picture. This one is the scala vestibuli. Scala vestibuli contain perilimb. So this one is the perilimb. Scala tympani also contain perilimb. So this one is also perilimb. But scala media contain endolimb. Whereas the resinous membrane between scala vestibuli and the scala media. Okay, so this one is the resinous membrane, whereas scala tympani from scala media is basilar membrane. So you can see this one is basilar membrane. So that is between scala tympani. This one is scala tympani, and this one is scala media. And on the wall of scala media is styria vascularis. Okay, so our next and last question is, otoconia is seen in uticle, superior semicircular canal, lateral semicircular canal, and cochlea. So one point I want to mention here, sensory organ of utricle and shackle is macula. Okay, then now structure of the macula is, and structure of the macula, it's made of two parts. The first one is a sensory neuroepithelium. Of type 1 and type 2 hair cell. Type 1 and type 2 hair cells. Second one is an otolith membrane. This membrane is made of gelatinous mass, and on the top there is crystal of calcium carbonate, and that is called otoconia, or also we used to call otolith. So otoconia is seen in utricle because sensory organ of utricle and shackle is macula. In macula there are two types of the parts. One is sensory neuroepithelium, and second is otolith membrane, that is made by the gelatinous mass and crystal of calcium carbonate, and that is called otoconia or otolith. So here is utricle is the correct answer. Okay, चलिए अभी टेलीग्राम में चल के देखते हैं. So in first question, which is the peripheral receptor of hearing? The correct answer is organ of Corti. A is the correct answer, chosen by 76 people. The second one is the semicircular canal is responsible for the balance by 81%. Next one is prominently is seen in which wall of middle ear? So medial wall of the middle ear. You can see here the medial wall and middle ear cavity prominently. Okay. Next one is equestrian tube open in nasopharynx. And next two question is stria vascularis is present in the cochlea. A is the correct answer. Here is cochlea is the correct answer. Okay. Otoconia is seen in utricle. Okay. Thank you very much and all the best.